If you want to delete your Zapier account, this guide will walk you through the exact steps in a quick and simple way. By the end of this video, you'll know where to go in your Zapier settings, how to find the account deletion option, and how to confirm the request safely. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software walkthroughs just like this. Now let's get into it. First, go to Zapier and sign in to the account you want to delete. Once you're on the Zapier dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This opens your account menu where you can access your user and billing settings. From the menu, click Settings. This takes you into the main settings area for your Zapier account. On the settings page, look for the security and data section and click on it. This is where Zapier keeps the most important account level controls, including privacy and deletion options. Inside security and data, scroll until you find Delete My Account. Click that option to start the deletion process. Zapier will usually show you a warning or confirmation screen because deleting your account is permanent and may remove access to your workflows, connected apps, and account data. To continue, click Confirm It's You. This step is there to make sure the request is coming from the real account owner. Depending on your security settings, Zapier may ask you to verify with your password or another authentication method before it allows the final deletion. After you complete the confirmation, follow any final prompts on the screen to finish deleting the account. Take a moment to double check that you really want to proceed, because once the account is deleted, you may not be able to recover your data or automations. And that's it. You've now seen how to delete a Zapier account step by step. If this video saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe for more clear tutorials on popular software and online tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.